Navigating SmileFy software is very easy. In the upper left corner of your screen, click on the main menu. In New Patient, you can scan your patient or create a smile simulation. In My Patients, view all your patients you created here. We have tutorials that will help you perfect your designs. Blog, where you keep up to date with what's new in digital dentistry. Team Up, share your cases with other SmileFy members and draw up multidisciplinary treatment plans. Under Notifications, you will have the history of your actions, such as sharing a document with another member or receiving a 3D design sent to our design service, Design for Me. If you need help, click on Support and send us an email or a message via WhatsApp or text message. In Account, you can manage your account like changing your password, adding your clinic logo, changing the language, or connecting to Google Drive or Dropbox. Select other videos on the tutorial page for more training or solve any questions you have.